Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing Wordpress so feeds can be generated reliably. First, update core and plugins. Outdated code breaks feed output. Next, set permalinks to post name or a feed-compatible structure. This ensures stable feed URLs. Then make sure your site is public in settings right arrow reading so feeds are crawlable. Once done, check a test post's default feed at /feed/ to confirm basic XML returns. If XML appears, you're ready to configure theme and plugin steps that follow. Now you enable and customize feeds so subscribers get the content you want. You can add feed templates in your child theme, create feed RSS too, PHP and register with add feed, because theme-level templates control structure and fields. Alternatively, install a reliable feed plugin to expose full text, media enclosures, and custom fields without coding. Make sure to map custom post types and taxonomies into feeds, because otherwise they won't appear. Once configured, validate the feed XML and preview entries to confirm titles, dates, and excerpts display correctly. Finish by validating and troubleshooting to guarantee reliable delivery. Validate your XML with a feed validator to catch malformed tags and encoding problems. Clear all caches, object cache, page cache, and CDN to ensure changes propagate. Then re-request /feed/ and any custom feed endpoints. If feeds are still broken, switch to a default theme and disable plugins to isolate conflicts, because many issues come from theme functions or plugin filters. Finally, re-enable components one at a time and revalidate until the culprit is identified and fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.